In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create visual effects in Higgsfield with Kling 2.6. First, head over to the Higgsfield website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Visual Effects section. You might need to scroll or hover through the menu to find it. When you're in the right place, you'll notice a sample effect called Earth Zoom Out. That preview is a good sign you've landed in the Visual Effects workspace, and it gives you a quick idea of the kind of transformations we're about to make. Now click Generate to start a new effect. The Creation panel opens, and the first thing it asks for is your media. Upload the image or video you want to transform. Pick the highest quality version you have, because sharper source material usually produces cleaner, more convincing results. If you're working with a video, make sure its orientation matches where you want to end up. Portrait for stories and shorts, landscape for traditional widescreen. Next, enter a prompt. This is your creative direction in plain language. Be concise but specific. For example, describe the motion, mood, or visual style you want. Things like a gentle zoom, cinematic lighting, or a dramatic space vibe. Clear prompts help the model steer the effect exactly where you want. You'll also see an audio toggle. Turn audio on if you want to keep the sound from your uploaded video, or switch it off if you're planning to add music or narration later. Below that is the model selector. Higgsfield offers multiple models, each with its own strengths. For this walkthrough, select Kling 2.6. It's a solid, versatile choice that handles motion and detail well without a lot of tweaking. Before generating, adjust your duration and aspect ratio. Duration controls how long the effect runs. Shorter clips feel punchy, while a few extra seconds can make slow moves like zooms feel smoother. Aspect ratio should match your goal platform. 16.9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical, or 1:1 for square posts. With your media, prompt, audio choice, model, duration, and aspect ratio set, click Generate. Higgsfield will process your request and apply the effect to your file. When it finishes, play it through to see the Earth Zoom Out style transformation applied to your content. That's it, your visual effect is ready.